Good evening, folks. Back at the cabin now. Me and the young fellas had our little project here. You can see now that's going to be the fireplace, I guess. We're going to rock this in. We'll go around there with a skirting now and fill this in with rock sand. I got the board coming tomorrow or the next day. We've got another fishing trip to go on tomorrow, so after that I'll get back at that. A little walkway around, and yeah, she's coming together pretty good there. I had to pour a bit of concrete there, maybe a few extra braces for her. Yeah, should be alright. Just another update. Yeah, anyway guys, when you see the next video now, I guess we'll be putting the board on her. Alright, anyway guys, take care. Good day, folks. How are y'all doing? This is Friday evening here now. I'm at one of my buddy's place there now. I'm at his sawmill to get a bit of lumber for the cabin build. Yeah, this is a setup there now. This is one of his tractors with the hooked up to his planers. I'll show some of the lumber he got there now. And get your glove away. Here's some clapboard he done. Saw his own clapboard, his 2x4, 2x6, whatnot. So one planers he got there. Near the sawmill going down there now. He's sawing up my lumber there now. I needs about 30 pieces of board. Great setup he got. You can see. Excuse the wind there, guys. Some more of my lumber here, though. Yeah. Great stuff, right? Brings you back to the days when my father used to have a sawmill this. I'll get you a little video off the sawmill now, I guess. 10 foots, 12s. Yeah. Yeah, you got a fine business operation going there. See ya. Something a bit loud going into the mill there now. So he and his wife has had it there. Okay, yeah. So perfect. It's on the board. Yes sir, fine operation you got. Yeah guys, I'm going to sign off there for a bit now. Take care, and this lumber's going in this. Yeah. More logs of wood. This is what he uses all the gear out the woods as a forwarder. I used to work in the woods. I spent 8 or 9 years at it. I used to try to load one of them every day, 4 cord. Yeah, 5 days a week. Yard punch, but the wood's good. You can do it. And nice machine that is. Yeah, just remember the days working for them, mate. Yes sir. God love the woods. Yes sir. Look at that. Yeah guys, I thought I'd bring you this. I got probably another little video to do. Another load of nice chunks there. Yeah, fine operation you got there. Another load there, look. Anyway guys, I'm going to sign off for a little bit there now, get the rest of the lumber sawed up and put in the van, and we'll carry on from then.